Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how I made this tool wall. It's very simple really. I'm using Black Melamine from this same table saw bench that you're seeing. I had a leftover, so I'm just gonna use it here. So since it's leftover, I had to straighten out all the edges. I'm gonna be using white oak to put the edges on it, kind of like just banding on it, and that way it's gonna match pretty good the table. Right here I'm cutting the white oak on tiny thin strips to use as the edge banding. It's probably a quarter thick, maybe a little bit less, but it's gonna just serve the purpose of the melamine not chipping.
¿Cuánto? Le digo, pues anda como en los 15, 20. Dice mi esposa que si pasa el smoke, sí. ¿Sí lo pasa? La verdad.
I put some glue on the banding and used brass nails to hold it in place. I rounded over the edges to make sure it's not sharp and get rid of any splinters that could get you. And then it's ready to start figuring out where everything's gonna go. The blue tape serves the purpose of just being able to write on there and mark where the little holes are gonna be. First, I'm gonna be drilling pilot holes and then using an inset bit to countersink the holes. This way, when you go to put a screw on there to hang what you're gonna hang, the melamine's not gonna chip. By the way, there's a ghost here, as you can see. Nah, actually, it's Christopher. He's just playing with the chair down there, but it was kind of funny that you couldn't even see him. I had some Milwaukee tools, but I thought it would look better, and I needed a lot of these tools anyway, so I went to my local store and bought all the tools that I needed. And no, I'm not being sponsored by Milwaukee, but it's a really good brand. So they're not paying me, but if you want to help me out, go ahead and subscribe, share, like the video. That really is going to help me a lot. But anyway, Milwaukee tools, I like them. I've had a lot of them over the years, and they're good tools. And again, like I said before, I'm just gonna be drilling pilot holes, and after that I'm gonna countersink each little hole, like you see here. And once I put in the screw, I'm using stainless steel screws so that they don't show a lot. They actually look a little better, but as you can see, clean holes. And then you can just put the screw on there and all clean. Clean, clean, clean. I like clean. And after I sanded the white oak and round it over the edges. I'm just gonna use Oris Oil Dark, same as I used on the table saw bench, to seal the white oak, and it makes it look congruent. It matches the table saw bench. And since I have shiplap on my walls, I'm just gonna be screwing it right under. Right now I'm drilling pilot holes so that I can just go on there and screw it on there. Well, I just said screw it on there. Screw, screw, screw. Secure it on there. And a little time lapse of putting on the screws on there. Some of the screws I'm gonna have to cut because I put 2 screws to hold one tool, and so the heads actually stick out and won't let the tool go in. But it's just a matter of cutting the head, and then it works just fine. And with all the tools on there, I was looking for a place to put my marking knife. I'm always losing it. I can't ever find a place. So I had this old shoe, and with the same marking knife, I cut off a piece of leather, screwed it on the same board, and that's gonna be where I store my marking knife. I'll be sure not to lose it anymore. And please subscribe. Please. It's gonna help me a lot. Thank you. And we're getting to the end. I really enjoyed this project. It was a short, cool little project. I always wanted to hang my tools on the wall so that I don't have to be looking for them. I don't have drawers or anything like that. So this really helped me a lot, and I really like how it turned out. Again, if you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed.